Hello, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on the channel, I will be making Efo Riro. Efo Riro is a Nigerian vegetable soup delicacy, and I will be using kale to make this. And the kale is got from our regular store in Finland at Lidl. So here's a quick ingredient list. Okay, so we get right into all of the ingredients that are or were used. First, I've got chicken here. It's about 500 grams. And then there's kale. This kale is the regular Lehtikaali from Lidl or Co Market, or I think S Market also sells this. And I prefer this because it's not too soft like the spinach. Then we have onion, seasoning cube, ginger powder, fresh tomatoes, salt, chili, and of course some extra meat. I think my Nigerian aunties will be so happy with me about having sufficient meat in this vegetable. So next, I start off by washing the meat, but first of all, I just have to chop, 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 cut, put it straight into the pot. Take out the chicken, slice it, bam, 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 and take everything into the pot, and then we are ready to rinse it. I'm gonna be washing off all of these spices because, well, I like my own thing, I like my own taste, and I don't mean to be rude to those that spiced it up from the market, but I prefer my own thing. So I'm washing it out, pour the water away, and next over to spicing. Now, I didn't put all the spices on the list because I know everybody has their own individual taste and flavors, but here I'm using curry, oregano, ginger powder, bouillon cubes, salt, and my very special spice here in Finland is called herbs of Providence. I think it helps of herbs de Providence. Okay, however it's called. But I like it because I don't know, there's something in these herbs that makes the meat smell and taste nice. It's my special ingredient actually, and you can get that from K Market, or I get it mostly from K Market or S Market. Okay, so we just turn it around like a turntablist to let the meat marinate a little bit, and straight to the stove or a cooker in this case. So next, I will be boiling the tomatoes first. For some reason, I always prefer to cook the tomatoes. I think it has something to do with being Nigerian, and when you blend all those tomatoes and everything together, you end up boiling it a little bit. So that's what I like to do when I have the time. And then I put in all of these chili. I have two different kinds of chili, and pardon me, I'm a hot girl, so hot girls have hot chilies. Yeah, so put in chili, put in some ginger powder. If you're a fan of garlic powder, put it in there. Just put everything that you want to put in there and just let it not boil, but simmer for a couple of minutes. And this also dries out the excessive water that is present in the tomatoes. Next, we're just gonna be chopping the kale. So chop, 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 dice, 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 put in a bowl, cut all of them. Next, I'm boiling water, but you can't see. And next, I'm going to pour water into the vegetable. The idea here is to soften it because I don't cook these vegetables for long. So it's always good to soften it a bit, or else it's too hard. One of the reasons I like kale is because it gives you that hard texture of ugu kind of ish. Palm oil, you need about 7 spoons of palm oil. The meat has been boiled, so we're just now putting in the onions. Yep, turn it around. And when it's golden brown, you know the drill. Then put the meat. Okay, I'm putting the cubes first. Put the cubes. And then the meat goes in. Turn it a little bit. I don't like to fry, so just to give it some, you get it. something. And next, meat goes in there. I cut some into 2 because I also don't like the meat being too big. I like, take one swallow, there's meat inside. Take another swallow, there's meat inside. But if the meat is too big, it's not gonna be going properly. You get it. Next, tomato and everything has been boiled. I'm just pouring that into the pot. And of course, cooking has to do with a lot of turning. We're gonna turn it. Yeah, so next, put in the meat stock to add more, flavor, taste, etc. into the food. It looks yummy already. Aha. Ooh, girl. You can eat this stew with rice, with swallow. Oh boy, check it out. Yeah, so now wash the vegetable a little bit, just putting in some room temperature water, rinse it a bit, and next taking it close to the cooker. And ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to put the vegetables in. But before then, extra special spice straight from Nigeria, crayfish. This one has some taste, and smell. And there comes the dried fish. Don't ask me where I got it in this country, but I got it. Okay, so now we put the vegetable in. Right. And turn. Pardon the way I'm holding spoon like I don't have life in me. That's how I do. Yeah, so when you're done putting vegetables in, you just let it simmer for a few minutes. 10 minutes maybe. And Efo Riro, what is set? Efo Riro is ready. That's it. No much trouble, no much hassle. Looking beautiful. I think it's time to put rice on the fire. So guys, that's how you make your Efo Riro using Kale. Let me know if you tried it and what you think. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly click the like button below and remember to subscribe for more content. Until next time, people. Laters!